So hi guys, today one of our students from QSpiders have been placed as a software engineer to one of the IT company. So today she is here to share her experience about how QSpiders helped her to get into the dream job as a software engineer in IT industry. Yes, explain.
Hi, my name is Madathala Gurumahalakshmi. I have been completed BCA from Junior College for Women, and I joined QSpiders in the month of July 21st. And coming to the subjects, manual was taken by both Niranjan sir as well as Pradeep sir. And coming to SQL, it was handled by Avinash sir. Coming to Java, it was handled by Ravi sir. And Selenium was handled by Rahul sir. And coming to the experience in the QSpiders, it's an opportunity which I got from my college as an incubation student, and here it was literally very fun. It's just because every day we had presentation, every day we had boot camps. In the presentation, we are a group of 4. Every day we used to do presentation. Like whatever the topic has been covered in the class, that topic we used to do presentation. After that, we used to take screening. Like trainers used to ask the questions regarding whatever the topic has been covered in the class. We used to answer all the questions, and from that we have been learned more things. By doing presentation only, we have been remembered the things for a longer period of time. So this is my experience regarding QSpiders.
Good. So how many interviews you attended through QSpiders?
So this is my first interview.
First interview,
Yes.
good. So it is very much happy to hear from her telling that on her first attempt she was able to get a job in a software company as a software engineer. So let's congratulate her. Her success story might be a motivation story for you people to become a new software engineer to IT industry. All the best.